Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to be showing you how I achieve this look. So yeah, if you want to see how I did this look, just keep on watching. So first we're going to be starting with foundation. I'm using the Maybelline Superstay and this is in the color Toffee 330. Concealer, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me and this is in the shade medium. If you watch my videos, you know I'm always using this product, so yeah, go grab you some Maybelline. You guys see me do my foundation routine literally in almost every video, so yeah, I'm gonna speed this up. So to set my under eyes, I'm going to be using the Coty Airspun Loose Powder. This is in the shade Translucent. So I don't use this all over my face because I feel like when I use it all over my face, I look like a ghost. So I'm just going to be using it under my eyes. So to contour, my daughter actually broke my contour palette and I don't know where it is. So to contour, I'm just going to be using this Milani bronzer. Yeah, I'm just going to use that to bronze up my face a little bit. If it don't work, it don't work, but whatever. Like I said, this video I'm not going anywhere, so yeah. Just gonna use that to contour and then bronze up my face also. I'm not really doing too much on my face. I'm mainly focusing on my eyes. So we're gonna start off with this orange shade. Like a darker orange shade. So I'm gonna be using my Jacqueline Moore and I'm using this shade right here. And don't mind my palette, it's all messed up. Let's not even get into it, but yeah. I think I'm gonna take some yellow. hitting my crease with the Maybelline Fit Me. Using this flat brush. So the yellow that I actually want is in the Take Me Back to Brazil palette, and I want to use this like neon yellow-ish. This blue shade in the outer corners of my eyes. I'm just gonna blend the blue into the crease a little bit. We're not. B palette, I'm using this pink shade right here. Mana Kadar Beauty Simplified. This is Lip Whip Dream. I got all of these products from my BoxyCharm. Like I was telling you, I get a lot of my stuff from my BoxyCharm, so they might not be the most affordable, but sign up for BoxyCharm. So that is it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoy watching as much as I enjoyed making this video. I think this look came out so cute. So if you guys like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and turn your bell notifications on to see every time I post. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.